Welcome to share my happy moments with my children. My name is Luis Carlos Ruiz Tibata. I am 27 years old and I have two beautiful children. The oldest is Scarlett Juan Sebastian Ruiz. He is 9 years old. When he was born, I was very young. I was in the 11th grade of the high school. It was a unique experience because for my young age, something's not why going to be easy. But since science, the first moment I knew that I was going to be father. My heart was moved when I saw him so big in my arms. I feel in the love as I had never done before. Seeing him so delicate and beautiful filled my with strength to have him love and happiness. Many moments happy occurred since this as very judicious child, but an outgoing child who loves to play, watch children films, and is very good at the school. Being, being a father again, feeling worry, anxiety, and many nerves is something great that has marked my life. My second son, Lian Martin Ruiz, is a love is the joy of the house. Fill us with happiness with his tenderness and delicacy is very nice and very similar to his older brother. He likes to eat a lot and loves in a unique way in the main forum. There are two bands they I love the most. We like to drive us up a family as forest with and have fun my children. Have patience and take to the idea of my folias. What wish they have a lot of fun and are happy. This part of my life, this light part is called happiness. And